look at the cool toys that we've got on Toy Time TV to open. It's Max and Friends. It's Frank the Fire Engine and Greg the Garbage Truck. Let's open them up using Toy Time TV magic. Frank and Greg are both new to Max and Friends. Frank is a helpful truck who is always there in an emergency. And if someone's in trouble, he'll be the first to show up. And Greg, well, he's got a dirty job, but somebody's gotta do it as a garbage truck. And he can be loud, but he's ready to help out when there's a big mess. Wow, I wanna play with them. Let's make them race and climb.
Look, Bobby, fire truck Frank is magnetic on the bottom. That means he'll go up metal. And these little pieces that come with him are great for revving him up. And they've got a little metal strip in them too, so that fire truck Frank and garbage truck Greg can all go upside down. Watch. Isn't that neat? Round and round we go! Look, Bobby, you can use this with your Max Mini Off-Road playset. That was really lots of fun, wasn't it, Bobby?
Yes, it was, Mr. Nickens. It was lots of fun to race the little mini trucks.
Yes, it was. We had fire truck Frank and garbage truck Greg, and they went really fast. And we also brought in some of the other Max Mini haulers, didn't we, Bobby?
Yeah!
I'm really amazed at how powerful these little guys are. They can really push and move a lot of stuff, can't they, Bobby?
Yeah, they can push and move a lot of things. And they're really, really, really strong because they can climb steel surfaces.
That's right, they can climb steel surfaces. Well, this has been a really fun review. I really, really enjoy these Max Mini haulers, and I like these new ones we got here from Jakks Pacific. Well, if you liked this video, be sure to subscribe.
Yeah, be sure to subscribe to us here on Toy Time TV, and also give us a like on this video and a comment.
That's right, give us a like and give us a comment. And we'll see you next time. Say bye, Bobby.
Bye, everybody. Bye. Wow, look at all the links. You can click them with your mouse.